to the fourth step, which is to love these feelings, to love these aspects, these experiences, these emotions, and to love ourself in the process. So this really is where there isn't going to be an accurate guide to explain how profound and how far-reaching this one step is. It's kind of like giving a small baby to their mother, and that mother does not need to be told. It doesn't need a guide to know how to love that child. And I am encouraging all of us to open to that kind of loving inside of ourselves, the love that doesn't need a guide, that does know those things to say, that does know how to flood this part of our consciousness with loving, that is compassionate, that is forgiving, that is just unconditional. So I'm going to ask that we all do our best in this moment to lift into our loving, to lift into the most loving aspect of us, because now this love that we are has an opportunity to meet and be with that pain, that hurt, those feelings. So it's now your job to share in writing or out loud anything that you want to say. And the one quick thing that I do want to share is that please refrain from changing or fixing the situation. We'll talk a little bit about that in a bit, but let go of changing or fixing anything. There's nothing to change and fix. All your feelings need is to be heard, to be seen, and to be loved. They just need to be picked up and to know that they are loved, that you are with them. So I encourage you to first write, I hear you, I see you, I love you. And just continue to share any loving, compassionate words with yourself. And when you're ready, you're also going to be asking your feelings, okay, what do you need? What is it that you need right now? Because perhaps one of the most loving things we can do for these feelings is to really give them that experience that they are looking for. So we're going to have a few minutes, another, say 2 or 3 minutes in silence. Pick up these feelings, love them, hold them energetically. A 5-year-old, the 5-year-old that you are, knows exactly how to do this. Be those kind words, those loving words to yourself, but also ask your feelings, what do you need? And when you've received that, do your best, either through your imagination, through a clear intention, but give yourself what it is that you need. Take your time. We'll have a couple of minutes to allow this loving that we are to truly flood and give ourselves what we need right now.
Love these thoughts. Where do you get the thoughts? They're great thoughts on this too. It's really good. What you say is amazing. Yeah. But it looks so great. It looks incredible. Such amazing content. Pieces of this.
So another half a minute before we move on. Just really allow yourself to flood to that human aspect of yourself. Profound love, compassion, whatever it is that you need. And bringing that to completion